Listen, insanity is doing the same thing twice. Expecting a new life, that's a roll of the dice. If you want the output to change in the lab, you gotta change the formula you have. Rae Vonshae, let's get aligned. Let's grow. Look, if the engine ain't running, then switch up the gas. Stop looking back at the ghosts of the past. Success is a machine, gotta keep it oiled up. You pouring water in a leaking cup. Go back to the drawing board, nothing is wrong with it. Analyze the data, see where you belong in it. Tweak the process, pivot and repeat. While the critics on the sideline watching from the seat. They talk heavy, but they never do the work. Fear and failure got you stuck in the dirt. But failure ain't a coffin, fam. Failure is a classroom. It's how you sweep the errors out with a broom. If you never failed, then you never really tried. You just coasting through life, dead inside. Stop dragging their weight up the mountaintop. You pushing for the peak, they beg you to stop. You saying let work, they saying let chill. You tryna build a legacy, they kill time still. You can't force elevation on a mind that is vacant. Cut the rope, let them go, stop being complacent. Reinvent yourself, yeah, it's time to elevate. Stop waiting at the door, man. Break down the gate, if the circle don't go, then the circle gotta go. Reap what you sow, let the blessing flow. Revamp, restructure, rebuild, redo. God got a new vision waiting there for you. It ain't no weakness, it's a power move. Get in the groove, you got nothing to prove. Reinvent. Exhausted cause you're pulling people who don't wanna move. Trying to teach a donkey how to step inside the groove. I ain't sharp as I know you dull or you sharp. You playing to the crowd but you're missing the mark. Check this, you might have a niche on lock, but you talking to an audience that's watching the clock. Broke, unmotivated, sleeping on a dream. You casting pearls before swine, what I mean. You got the message but the ears are wrong. That's why the money ain't matching the song. Views on equal income, likes don't pay the rent. You can have $1 million and make a cent. Shift the target, find the people who are serious. Stop wasting breath on the ones who delirious. Content is the currency, stop with the gossip. Handling business is the only topic. I don't mind starting over, I don't mind the isolation. Sometimes you gotta go ghost to build a foundation. Isolate to elevate, separate to saturate. Your mind with the vision before it gets too late. Who is in your network, who is in your space? Do they push you to create or just slow down the pace? I need hunters, creators, builders in the room. People who can see the flowers blooming in the gloom. Get up and create, that's the mandate today. If they ain't lighting fires, get them out the way. Reinvent yourself, yeah, it's time to elevate. Start waiting at the door, break down the gate. If the circle don't go, then the circle gotta go. Oh, reap what you sow, oh, let the blessing flow. Revamp, restructure, rebuild, redo. God got a new vision waiting there for you. It ain't a weakness, it's a power move. Get in the groove, you got nothing to prove. Reinvent. I'm on this journey too, revamping the business. Restructure interview, not for the likes, but for the purpose. We ain't scratching the surface, faith without works is dead, that's a fact. Check the description if you ready to act. Fix the credit, get the car, raise the fund. The old you is finished, the new you begun. See y'all in the next one, let's grow. Yeah.